Hey folks, you're watching Northern Outdoor Adventures. I appreciate the click on the video. We're getting ready to head up over the road now, and we're going to be doing, we got some rabbit snares out, setting some martin boxes, a bird hunt. Fun-filled day packed with lots of excitement, hopefully. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. There you go, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Big birds though. Not bad. Tree shots. What's that? 5 birds. They got wings, my girl. They're gone. 5 bird tree shots. What a way to start the day. And here you have the downside of the population of foxes being up. I had a rabbit. All I was left was a bit of fur. Fox tracks here everywhere. Mr. Fox come in and had lunch for himself. Well, I don't think I'm going to bother to set this one back because, well, all we're going to do is feed the fox. Bailey, here. Back here. Come on, here. Back here with me. All we're going to do is feed the fox. You think, Bailey? Huh? Of course, the one I goes and checks, don't take the camera. I got a bunny. There's one snare I had there, so I'm not gonna bother to take the camera. Never fails, huh? What? Another one for the pot. A couple of birds and a bunny. What do you think, Bailey? Huh? You think? Huh? You think? All new too, isn't it? Huh? The grand total today is 1 rabbit. They said only have 5 or 6 snares out, but 1 rabbit. A lot of birds on here too.
She got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
Girl.
Good girl, Bailey.
Girl. Tree shots, boys. Great save on shields. Don't leave me on knocking down the woods and you gotta go find them, man. Good girl, Bailey. clean this fellow up. I normally don't kill many porcupines, although I do love to eat them, but I normally don't kill many. But the mother-in-law has been with us last few winters, and she's always been talking about she wanted a porcupine. So I got your porcupine for you, Gloria. Well, we just gotta clean it up. There's a secret whipping in here. Whew. Got some smoked mackerel that was left out to ferment. Over the years, I found it worked really well. It might not look like it now, but this is the biggest part of my porch for the cabin next year, I'd say. It's going to look a little different when we're done. But, oh, what a beautiful stick. Hi, Bailey. Good girl. Come on. Ah, you'll get me here. Oh, here. Another one down. So we got a couple more boxes to put out, and I think it's soon be time to have a fire. I'm getting kind of hungry. Ah, baby. Time is bad for a boil up. Now I only got one trap left. Okay. Oh, Bailey, Bailey. Silly old Bailey. Silly old Bailey. Good stuff.
Beats this way.
Just here gathering up some wood, and we found this little piece of tin. Looks like someone had it for an old cabin or something for a stovepipe good for a while, but serves the purpose there perfect. Little burner to cook on, huh?
It's almost ready now.
Oh, nothing better. Everybody got their thing they enjoys most on the fire. Obviously, a cup of tea goes best with all of it. But for me, some people find it weird, but leftover soup warmed up in a cup like this, nice chilly day, nothing better. It's too hot for you. We're gonna have to take out some, let it cool down for you. Huh? It's too hot. Well, there's something in your pocket for you. Your soup cooled down, maybe get some. What are you waiting for? Oi. Yeah, Taffy is living home. Mom couldn't make goulash. She made goulash. Taffy would be pacing the floors waiting for her dish full. And you had to give him to her too. If you wouldn't go sit there and eat in comfort.
No, me.
All the running and going you done today, and you still got all that energy. That's not normal, Bailey. You should get tired. You should get tired, yeah. You should. Sit. You should get tired. You should. Stick. You got it, huh? That was a needle in a haystack. A little bit of blood on you. A little worse for the wear, huh? You're crazy, man. You're loony. Oh, you. Oh. I'm proud. I got a stick. I got a stick. I guess it's time to put that fire out now and head around back towards the cabin. We got a lot of cleaning to do. Pretty successful day. Even got a porcupine. Eat me rabbit, but Well, folks, that brings us to the end of yet another video. What an amazing day here in the big land. I'm sure you've seen we enjoyed every second of it. Every time I press record on the camera, Bailey decides to be a nuisance. Anyway, we're getting it all packed up here now. We got everything ready for the freezer, and it's time to head in for the night. Hopefully get back out on land again tomorrow. Till next time, stay safe.